We're standing out here outside of Wrigley Field right now. I'm about to buy the very first piece of Cubs clothing that I've ever, not just purchased, but worn in my entire life. I grew up on the south side of Chicago, raised a White Sox fan. I pray to God my father never sees this video.
I'm telling him.
All right.
Well, we're showing him.
I believe you. I believe you.
It smells like a garbage can as soon as you walk in the door.
JD's behind enemy lines right now. We are going to show Jack Sr. the next lunchbox train. Don't let him, he's going to hear us. He already took shots at it, so it smells like garbage. Does not. He's about to pop this shit.
What's a plastic flapper? I love shopping, Danielle. I love shopping.
It's the theme, JD. Oh my God, so JD just bought 5 hats. What do you think?
Well, considering there's only 4 of us here, it's going to be an interesting dynamic. But
Yeah.
total of 8 hats for TopstepTV.
Pays for itself.
Oh, please.
Oh, yeah, that'd be great.
Thank you so much.